Welcome back to my channel Learn with Burhan. In this video, I have made this video to inform you that ICSC has changed the sample papers of these four subjects, that is English 1, English 2, Physics and History Civics. And regarding English 1, the changed sample paper, I have made the video for that and provided the link in the comment section. You can go check it out. So in English 1, the whole paper has been changed, but in other subjects only some part of it is changed. First, let us go through English 2 paper and see what is changed there. As I told you, nothing important is changed, just some 2 to 3 questions have been changed. Let us see here. Okay, here you can see, read the following extract from Act 3 of The Merchant of Venice and answer the question. So this was 5 mark bits. 5 mark. This bit was of 5 mark. But the questions were 3 only of this bit. But now they have made 5 here. You can see. Fourth question. Who arrives from Venice towards the end of the scene bringing news of Antonio's misfortunes? Salerio, Lorenzo and Jessica. In which Salerio is beach ka bandar. Fifth one. The word aloof in the extract can best be replaced by. So aloof. You can go through it in the passage. Away then, I am locked in one of them. If you do love me, you will find me out. Nerissa and the rest stand all aloof. So here aloof means stand aside from Bassanio so that he can make the choice of casket and no one should help him. So the correct answer would be arrogant, no. Remain silent, no. Condescending, no. And fourth one, aside. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now let us go physics sample paper. Here you can see what is changed. I will tell you one by one. First, yes, this bit, this question. The wavelength of light in a medium A is a 600 nanometer. The wave enters medium B of refractive index 1.5 with respect to medium A. So select the correct option from the following. Let us select the wavelength of light becomes 1.5 times the initial wavelength. No. The wavelength of light decreases. Yes, because speed of light is decreasing. So that's why the wavelength will also decrease. First, the wavelength was 600 nanometer. Then it is 400 nanometer. So the wavelength is decreasing. So this is the correct answer. Then second question, second subpart. The wavelength in medium B will be 400 nanometer. This question is same only, just the type, how it is asked, that is changed. Then you can see here, yeah, this question. A body has kinetic energy 2500 joule if the mass of the body is 500 gram. The velocity is. So let us calculate the answer now. Kinetic energy is 2000. We know that kinetic energy is equals to half mv square, right? And now it is given that kinetic energy is 2500 joule. So 2500 is equal to half m. M is what you know, M is 500 gram, means half kg. So half, then into V square will be there here, V square, half into V square. Now 2500 into this 2 and this 2 will come here, 2 into 4. Then it will be like this for velocity. So the square of 2500 will be 50 and square of 4 will be 2. So 50 into 2 is what? 100. So our speed which we have got here is 100 meter per second. Now the next part of the question says to the momentum of the body will be. Now we know that momentum is mass into velocity. So mass is half kg, that is 500 gram. We will take it as half because the answer should be in SI unit. Half into the velocity which is 100. So half of 100 will be 50. So the correct answer will be 5 kilogram meter per 50 kilogram meter per second. Okay. Now here you can see what is changed is here. Yes. This question of pendulum. In this question, it is changed. Which one of the following statement is correct? You can see at point A the bob has only kinetic energy. No, it has only potential energy. At point B the bob will have only potential energy. No, it will have only kinetic energy. At point B the bob will have maximum kinetic energy. Yes, this is correct. Then fourth option, At point D, the bob will have more potential and less kinetic energy. No. So third option is correct. Then the height h is what? Let us calculate the height here. What will be the height? Okay, so the initial kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy here. So we can write that half mv square is equal to mgh. So gets cancelled. Now we remain with half and v square. What is v here? It is 5. So half into 5 square is equal to g is 10 into h. Now half into 5 square is 25. 25 by 2. This 10 we can shift it to this side. It will be 1 by 10 is equal to h. Now this will be 5 2s are 5 5s are, then 5 by 4. So 5 by 4, and the unit will be SI unit. So SI unit of length, height, it is meter. So 5 by 4 meter. Now let's see the options. Where do we have this? We don't have this because we need to convert it. So 5 by 4 meter, if I convert it, it will be 4, here 5. So 4 ones are 4, 5 minus 4, 1.0, 4 2s are 8. So again this will be 2, and here 20. So 5, 1.25 meter. So let's see where it is. Yes, the third option is correct, 1.25 meter. Now in this D bit also, select correct option. We have to only choose one option for total internal reflection. Can take place in an optically denser medium as compared to an optically rarer medium. Yes, this is true, and the rest options are wrong. Then second part. So this question is of 2 marks. This D question is of 2 marks, and there are 2 sub questions for it. So second part is diamonds glitter in the dark, because this we didn't had in the previous question paper. So this is the change, and the rest is same. Now let us go for the HCG sample paper, history civics. Yes, you can see here what is changed. So in the previous history civics sample paper, there were some questions of 2 marks. But now the council has made question paper such that all the 2 mark questions are of 1 mark, and some other questions are also there. So all questions, each MCQ is now of 1 mark in HCG paper, history civics paper. So all the 2 mark MCQ have been made 1 mark, and some other MCQs have been added. So what are these other MCQs? Let us see. Starts from here. Yes. Question 23. Assuming the powers of the state which is under an emergency is a dash power of the parliament. It is a legislative power. Then the right of the members to ask a question in the house is interpellation. Who elects the speaker of Lok Sabha? The members of the Lok Sabha. Question 26. The creation of new All India services is an exclusive power of Rajya Sabha. In the syllabus, we have only exclusive power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And now if you don't know which power is this, is it of Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha, it cannot be the power of Lok Sabha, because the Lok Sabha powers is like adjournment motion and money bill. So it is not concerned with this. So the correct answer would be Rajya Sabha. Then question 29. The civil disobedience movement. This is their extra. Then in 1857, Hindu and Muslim soldiers refused to use the new cartridges because they were greased with cow and pig fat. Then question number 31 is there, which is new. To recognize agriculture and industry on social lines was the aim of whom? And now this question matched the following. In the previous sample paper, it was of 2 marks, but here it is of 1 mark. So the correct answer is D1 for this. And here in this bit also, this passage bit, 1 extra question is added. And last, this picture based bit, here also 1 extra question is added. This one, which of the following clauses, this bit has added. So these were the changes made by the council in all these 4 sample papers. So now in history civics, you can be assured that the questions, the MCQs will be of 1 mark each. All the MCQs which will be asked in the exam, it will be of 1 mark each. And history is very easy. You don't have to remember many things. Only the important things if you remember, you can ace the question paper easily. So history is very easy, but I feel physics, it is the toughest paper. It is even tougher than math. So physics you have to practice very much, because here the council has asked more numerical based questions. So you have to make a tight grip of numerical based questions and practice it very well. So that's all for today.